Okay, so I'm just going to do an opening here. I ordered a couple of these Laura 32s development boards for Mesh Tech. That's why I got them. So they just came in from Aliexpress. Direct from Marcom, so it was quicker than I thought. Normally it takes forever. So we can cut open and take a look. See what we got. Two boards. Wrap up individually, so there's the two antennas. I bought two boards. Heltec Laura 32 863 to 928. I want to run it on 915 because I'm in Canada. There's the board. Comes with the power adapter. I ordered a couple of battery holders for some lithium batteries, so I'll have to wait for those to come. But there's the board. A V3 U3 version 3.1. So this will be my first foray into this, so we shall read up a bit on it, and I'll make another video as I continue. I'll have to load up the firmware on there, but this is what we got here so far. I got two of these for a grand total of $56. So I'm going to run one up on my tower. I don't know how much activity is around here because when I look at the map it doesn't seem to be a whole lot. But I'm going to put one up my tower about probably 25 to 30 feet where I got a cross beam I can put it on with this little antenna. I think I'll see if I can find something a bit better. There might be some activity over towards the east of me, so I might just build a little Yagi and pop a Yagi onto it and point it over towards the east. And the second one I'll leave down here in my Radio Shack, and then I'll be able to Bluetooth into that one. I don't know if I'll be able to Bluetooth into the one up on the tower or not. Maybe from my bedroom, but we'll see. Anyways, that's it for now. I'll put another video up when I update these with the software and get them going.